like a good part of this grass seed job is going to be a little bit of a do-over. Crooked Creek came up about 20 feet last night. Buffalo, I think, peaked about 22 feet. Not at 22 feet, but 22 feet above what it was. And yeah. Monkey grass held up over on this side. So our monkey grass held up to the current there as the water was receding. That definitely worked out good. Gotta keep that in mind. That literally monkey grass berms, I think, is going to be the best bet. Is some angled rows of monkey grass berms across all the flat. Somehow or another, we got survivors. Oh no, probably, I don't know, maybe up to 80% altogether. Pretty surprising, considering that I'd say 90% of the straw was washed away. But might turn out all right. We shall see. A couple more weeks. And when you get the time for proper germination, you get that. That has held for 2 floods now. You can see where the current was washing through there, around there. And that's held over 2 now. You like fishing? We like fishing. Please, help, stop stream bank erosion. Thank you.